Now we'll look at you, Pragyan. You're a very simple bowler. You keep things very simple. You don't try too many flashy things. You don't try like something like a carom ball or something. But yet you manage to get wickets. What is your funda? Everybody wants to know what's Pragyan Ojha's funda because he's very simple when he bowls left arm slow orthodox. What is your funda when you bowl to get wickets?
The foremost thing is hard work, and you have to be determined to to perform. You should have that hunger to perform, and most importantly, what I back myself is like I am very consistent in line and length. That's what I have done from past so many years. So I back myself. I stick to my basics. I don't give easy runs and don't let the pressure go away from the batsman. That's what helps me getting wickets.
Again, just a few records. You have 14 matches, test matches you've played, 62 wickets you've got. Your average is quite close, actually not very close, 6 runs away from your domestic average because your domestic average is 27.14. You've got 254 domestic wickets. 14 matches, you've got 62 wickets in test match career, in your international career. You're quite close to your domestic record, which is good. So you don't have to do too much to better it. But what are you trying? Because your strike rate is a little on the higher side internationally. So what are you trying? Because you've got the wickets, now you need to improve. So how are you approaching that?
I think when you're playing at the top, always there is a scope of improvement, and I think stats are end of the day they're just numbers. I think you should be always within yourself. You should feel satisfied when you get off the field, and most importantly, when you stand in front of the mirror, you should think that yes, I have given my 100%. Rest is what I couldn't take care of. So that is how I feel you will improve, and once you give your best and you're like 100% there, I think things will start turning your way.
So is Pragyan happy, satisfied with 62 wickets so far?
So far, I think it's a beginning, and it's a long way to go, and I've just started my career. I'll definitely work hard and put in some good effort and win games for India. Hopefully, end of my career, I can answer this question.
Maybe we'll be sitting here itself at the end of your career having a chat with you. West Indies series was fantastic for you. That sort of like was your comeback series. You've performed exceedingly well there. 5-4 you got as well. Could you describe that experience? Because definitely you might have had pressure on you. You will agree with that when I say you had pressure on you. How did you cope with that, and how did you prepare for that West Indies series?
I think when after a year's gap I was playing West Indies series, it was very important for me to pick wickets, but to be very frank, I never had all those things in my head. I just wanted to go there, play my cricket, and whatever would have happened, I just left it to to God. I just wanted to go there, give my best, do what I'm good at, and just follow my heart. And God willingly, with a lot of seniors supporting me, and with good backing, I did quite well, and hopefully I'll continue this performance for my team.
Which were some of your favourite wickets that you got? Because you really foxed a lot of batsmen. Carlton Borden seemed to be knowing what you're bowling like. So which were some of your favourite wickets that you got, if you could relive them?
I think the most important ones were the ones which I beat the batsman with the flight and got them stumped. I think that is a delight as a spinner to watch when beating a batsman in the air and he gets stumped.
Because they were going quite well. Bravo and Lendl Simmons were going quite well, and you got him caught behind then, if I'm not mistaken. Was it Lendl Simmons? It was a left-hander you were bowling to. You came back after some time. It was a 4th wicket partnership that you broke. It was at a crucial time of the match. Dhoni took the catch. It was a caught behind when he tried to cut you. What did that wicket feel like?
Actually at that point of time we needed wickets, and the wicket was a bit flat and it wasn't doing much. So I was like thinking of just keeping things tight and just trying to vary my pace, which helped me, build pressure on them, and that is how we got a breakthrough.
But from their perspective, I can see it. Oh, have they got their man? But look at that delivery, given a bit of air by Pragyan Ojha. Low, very low. It's a very, very good catch. He took Barak similar to his left of Ishan Shah. Played on off the ground. Oh, he's gone. What a wicket.
What happened in the final match? Everybody was just asking that thing. What happened in the Mumbai Test match? It was expected that we would win it, but then what happened there? Could you describe those final moments?
I think as a cricketer and as a human being, we expect to win every game India plays because cricket is like a religion in India. But end of the day, as a professional cricketer, I believe everyone in the team gave their 100% and they were trying to win the game. But there are certain things which is which isn't in our reach, and we just give our best. So rest was like so certain things we couldn't do anything.
For the last 2 years, we've seen your international career. It's been a lot on the subcontinent. Any plans of sort of cracking into the side when the side goes abroad to tour in countries like Australia, South Africa? Because that will be a real challenge. Now you've played on English wickets, you've got wickets there, so you know you can perform in those countries. How are you approaching this? Because you really might be itching to go to abroad countries. Maybe even the Australia tour you have your sights on. How are you trying to approach that?
Yeah, I think I'll just keep my things very simple. The way I've been approaching every game, I want to approach the same way, and not let anything affect me. Obviously there will be different conditions, different kind of wickets, but I believe if I stick to my basics and do my things right and tick all the boxes that I can, I think I'll have a good series there.
Do you feel you're in the reckoning for the Australia series?
Yeah, definitely. When you're picked for picked in the team and you're there, I think definitely as a cricketer, I expect any game I would definitely get a chance and play.
Pragyan, while we end this interview, a few quick questions to you. What outside the cricket field, what excites you? What's your passion?
I'm more passionate about watches. I like watches, and I've got quite a few collection of watches, and sometimes I listen to music as well.
Is that a Hyderabadi thing? Because Azharuddin liked a lot of watches. He had a big collection of watches as well. Is it something that Hyderabad boys like?
No, it's not like that. No, I don't know. I have a I just if someone is wearing a good watch, I'm the first one to go and talk to him and give a compliment about the watch. And I don't know. I just enjoy and I love watches. I don't know. I've got a soft corner for them. I believe.
Okay. And how do you manage time to find time to stay home with your wife? Because a lot of touring for you, a lot of IPL and a lot of cricket matches for you. You're recently married, very close to my birthday. How do you find time to spend time with your family and your newfound and your newlywed bride?
Yeah, she's been traveling with me whenever possible, and last test match also she was there with me, and I make sure whenever I am not playing any cricket, I give a lot of time to my family, because that's a very important important thing in your life. So and she understands what cricket is in my life, and as a professional's wife, what she has to do, and I'm thankful to God that I've got a very understanding partner.
Pragyan, while you go, a few words of encouragement to left arm spinners here in Goa. A lot of them, actually, any spinner in Goa who might be watching this right now, hoping that one day they'll have that crest on their chest and play for India. A few words of advice from yourself to them.
Yeah, I would like to keep it very simple the way I've been doing it. I think there are no two ways about hard work. If you're working hard and you're determined and you're very clear about your goal, I think sooner or later you'll achieve it.
Pragyan Ojha, ladies and gentlemen, remains very humble, even though he's worn the India jersey, not only for the one day or the T20, even the test matches he's represented the country. We hope you continue your good work with the Indian national team and make us proud and continue being humble. Thank you so much, Pragyan.
Thanks a lot.
Got 7 wickets in this tournament so far. That's got him. He's dragged it on, bottom edge, and a wicket there for Ojha, so that makes it 8.
Well, that's a terrible shot. Terrible shot. Too early in the innings. Trying to hit against the turn, trying to hit the ball square, ball pitching outside the off stump. What's he trying to do? And they're dragging the ball onto the stumps. Manoj Tiwari, disappointing. And it's 68 for 3. And another one. It's a tight one. Oh, he's gone. Maybe didn't connect it as well as he would have wanted it to. Gone. Went for a big hit. Ball turned, bounced, and Adam Gilchrist doing the rest.
That's it.
Up in the air, he's gone. And taken.
That was it. And he's out. Hasn't worked.
Thanks very much, Michael. Oh, there's another big shout. This one could be close, and it's gone. Into the action straight away, Jackers. He's bowled him. He's cleaned him up.
Down the track. Has hit it a long way in the air. It's gone high, and it's gone to the man at long on.
That's a big shot, but not big enough. Oh, what a catch! Rohit Sharma again.
One of these two will go to 16. Bowled him. Terrific. Ojha has been a star throughout this entire tournament. Look at that big smile.
There we go. And this one hasn't made it. It's that man Simons again. Out on the fence. Morkel can't believe it.